Hello, good evening guys. So this is your laboratory class for today. So what you're going to do is you're going to answer laboratory lab 1. So just open your canvas, then you can search for your activity for today under quiz on network 101L. So basically you're going to answer all of those questions. Basically that refers only to conversion of values. So you have the decimal uh to binary, binary to decimal, so and binary to IP address format. So since in networking class, networking class or networking subject, you will be dealing with subnetting, IP addressing. So you have to go back to the basic, which is the basic of conversion. Okay, so what you need, what are you going to need is a piece of bond paper and also a pen or a pencil. So I'll be asking you to do a scratch or do your solution on a piece of paper. Then after the questions, so after you answer all of the questions on the laboratory activity, so the last portion there is for you to upload the picture of the scratch paper or your solution. So I will be dealing your solution for the entire conversion of values. Okay? So ulitin ko ulit. So you need to have the solution or the scratch paper with you. Okay? Upload it on the last item on the activity. Okay? So that would be your laboratory activity for today. So just to recall how to convert a value. So always remember that we are dealing with binary. So we always start with the value 1. Okay, we always starts with the value 1. Then since we are dealing with binary, it will always be multiplied by the value of 2. So 1 times 2, that will be 2. So 2 times 2, that will be multiplied by 2, that will be 4. So that will be, the next number would be 8, 16, and 32. For example, if you are converting the value, if you're converting the value of number 5, you start with the possible value na pag inad nyo will give you the number 5. Okay? So for example, this one. So we're converting it, number 5, to binary value. So this will be 1. So this is the value of 1 here. So if you're going to add 2, yes, you can add 2. It will still fit on the value 5. Or 5 is still in excess of 2 plus 1, which is 3. So sobra pa rin number 5 sa value na to. Kaya the problem is, if you're going to add another one, it will not be exactly the value of 5. So what we need to do is skip this one and make it as a 0. Okay? So this one is, since 1, we no longer add the value of 2, so we're going to go to the next value, which is 4. So let's make it as number 1. Okay? So that's 4 plus 1. We now have the value of 5. Okay? So a converted value is 1, 0, 1. And this will be the binary equivalent of number 5. Okay? So that is the conversion between decimal to binary. So for binary to decimal, let's say for example this is 1 0 1 0. Okay, so to get the value of this binary digit, so what you're going to do is on the top of it you can just assign the value of 1 multiplied again by 2, so that will be 2 4 8 16 32 64 and so on and so forth. So get the value ng mga numbers which is represented by 1. So in this case, this is 8 and this is 2. So this will be 8 plus 2. That will be equivalent to 10. So this will be our final answer from converting binary to decimal value. Okay, so that is just a quick recall of conversion of numbers from binary to decimal. So just follow the instruction. So all you have to do is just convert the values, answer items numbers 1 to 30, and the 31 is for uploading of your picture or your photo of your sketch paper or solution. Okay, so just do the laboratory activity. So that is for your laboratory activity number 1. So I'm believing you with that one. So just kindly work on it till the end of the class. Okay. Okay. So after this one, so next meeting I'll be doing a lesson again for our Unit 3 module. So I will be leaving you with your activity for today. Just work on it, and good night.